नई दिल्ली रीसलैंड स्काई मैंशन लाइफस्टाइल हाई राइज अपार्टमेंट स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर्स की ग्रैंड कोलैबोरेशन हुई। स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर्स की कोलैबोरेशन में दिल्ली के बड़े बड़े उद्योगपतियों ने हिस्सा लिया। स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर्स के डायरेक्टर धीरज जैन और सालू जैन को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं दी। वहीं केक कटिंग के साथ धीरज जैन व सालू जैन को सभी ने बधाई दी। रीसलैंड स्काई मैंशन के डायरेक्टर ने प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में चर्चा की। मौजूद लोगों ने रीसलैंड स्काई मैंशन 3 BHK अपार्टमेंट को देखकर स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर धीरज जैन सालू जैन से लोगों ने बात की। रीसलैंड स्काई मैंशन अपार्टमेंट के बारे में लोगों ने क्या कुछ कहा, देखिए दिल्ली से यह खास खबर।
My name is Dhruv Rathi, and I would really like to congratulate Shalu and Dheeraj for this wonderful event they have organized. The apartment is very nice, and it is very, very luxurious. The setting and the thought behind this apartment is also very, very, very nice. Thank you.
Hi, myself is Manish. I am from Easy Safe and Abhi is Khali, India. And first of all, I just congrats Shaluji for lovely event and inviting us. And to be very honest, this is one of the best building I ever seen, high rise in Delhi. So 3 cheers to the people who are actually promoting like Shalu, like smart investors and Rizland Sky Mansion. Thank you so much.
सब पीछे रखो, thumbs up कर देना। Hi, this is Preeti Seth from Pacholi Wellness Clinic. We have everything at Pacholi from head to toe, you name anything and we are there. We are in 8 locations taking care of you. And today we've been invited by Mr. Dheeraj and Shalu. Beautiful event put together and they are promoting this land. We've just been to their apartments. Beautifully made, conceptualized, 4 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. You all must come and see. And congratulations to Dheeraj and Shalu for having this grand event, handling so many people, and congratulations to both of you. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, I'm designer Rosie Aluwalia from Delhi, and I would like to first congratulate the entire team for the smart investment which has launched the Rizland with the beautiful apartments जिसने बनाया है. It's out of the world. Look at the floor, look at the interiors, look at the color combination. It's like amazing, no words.
सबसे पहले अपना इंट्रोडक्शन और आज का जो प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया आपने इसके बारे में बताइए।
Hi, this is Shalu Jain and he is my smart husband Dheeraj Jain, and we are here at a grand launch event of Smart Investors at Rizland Sky Mansion, Chhatarpur, New Delhi. Guys, we are so happy to see such beautiful crowd and elite customers, our esteemed guests over here. So many people have turned out today, and we are in collaboration with Audi Delhi South over here. And thank you so much, my proud guests, to be here and appreciating the project and took out their precious time to spend some time at this beautiful project, and lot many more events to come. And we are so happy to launch our new brand, Smart Investors. Thank you so much, guys, and looking forward to many more beautiful events in the future. Rizland Sky Mansion is one of the luxurious high-rise apartment in Delhi at the prime location, Chhatarpur Main Road, and already 70% of the construction has been completed. Only 30% has been left. 15 floors इनके already बन चुके हैं. 26 floors तक इनका जाएगा. इनका triplex penthouse है, and it is being designed by Tarun Tahilyani. So guys, check out if you are looking for luxurious designer homes in Delhi.
Yeah. Hello, good evening. I'm Nirupama Gupta and my husband Sanjeev Gupta.
Hi.
We are here to congratulate Shalu and Dheeraj for the new venture. This is absolutely beautiful, stunning, and I would recommend people to come have a look.
Congratulations, Shalu.
जी फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन और आज
Hi, this is Shalini Bhatia. I'm a model and actress, and I would like to congratulate the whole group of Riseland and this is a ready to move apartment, and I would like to thank you Shaluji for inviting me, and it's such a luxury apartment. I really liked it, and thank you so much.
Okay, basically I'm Riya Rao. Okay, basically I'm Riya Yadav. I'm as an educationist, social activist and artist. So आज जो इवेंट है शालू जी का एंड धीरज जी का बहुत अच्छा इवेंट था, बहुत अच्छा इवेंट। आई रियली एंजॉयड इट एंड मेनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू शालू जी एंड धीरज जी। थैंक यू।
So hi, this is Shalu Jindal, the winner of the Red Army ZTV, and today I am here at Rizland, and Shalu Jain has invited me here, and I'm so happy to see the way they have like really shown the apartments and the space they have provided, and I'm really so happy to see this, and I'm looking for a very good future for these Rizland properties, and thank you Shalu Jain for inviting me here.
Okay, hi, I'm Pooja Thakur. I'm founder and director of Growth Thoughts. We are into learning and development space. So today I'm here at Skyland Mansion, and this is one of the luxurious project in South Delhi, which is very spectacular, and this entire event is hosted by Dheeraj Jain and Shalu Jain, and they are launching their company also, which is Smart Investors. So we are very happy, we're enjoying, we have seen the apartment, it's very nice, very well done, and so are we here. Thank you.
और आज प्रेसिडेंट का प्रोग्राम होता है साथ में और क्या कहेंगे?
मैं संजय मित्तल, प्रेसिडेंट दिल्ली चांदीवरक एसोसिएशन और प्रचार मंत्री लवकुश रामलीला, और सो मैनी पोस्ट आई हैव, प्लस कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू शालू जैन एंड धीरज जैन जी। उन्होंने अभी जो ग्रैंड लॉन्च करा है अपना स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर का, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत इनको मुबारकबाद। प्लस अनवीलिंग हो रहा है जो रिचलैंड स्काई मैंशन का, तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर ऑल योर, इनके जितने भी फ्यूचर एंडीवर्स हैं उनके लिए बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। थैंक यू।
पूजा वैसे लेने की
मैम फर्स्ट अपना इंट्रोडक्शन और आज रिचलैंड जिससे सामने जाने का प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया, किस तरह से देखती हैं, क्या कहने को?
Hi, this is Shika A. Sharma, the celebrity dietitian and nutritionist. I own my 48 franchises across the globe, from New Jersey, New York, London, and now we are coming up in California and South Africa as well. And very soon you'll see us in Pakistan also, right? So I'm very honored that it's gonna be first brand which is there globally across all the countries. And आज मैं शालू जैन एंड धीरज जैन के इवेंट पे हूँ, एंड दिस इज़ द वंडरफुल इवेंट, एंड आई एम रियली लाइकिंग इट बिकॉज यहाँ पे हम कुछ बाय करने आए, हम कुछ खरीदने आए, एंड कुछ नहीं, बहुत अल्ट्रा लग्जूरियस चीज़ लेने आए हैं, दैट इज़ राइज लैंड। Rise Land. It's a luxurious property which is there in Chhatapur, and I've seen the penthouse. It's amazing, and the best part is designed by Tarun Deliani. So of course, मेरा दिल इस पे आ गया है, and we're going to purchase one because in Delhi it's all about luxury, it's all about the class, and Rise Land definitely fulfill all your requirements. Thank you.